CFDs in some countries like the United States are illegal. And the thing why they're illegal is because they don't have centralized place. CFDs are very low transparent vehicles, very low transparent. And it's easy to make money on paper trading. But believe me, when you start trading live, there's a lot of things that traders do not know what's going in the background, and that's because there's no one centralized place for CFDs, and there's no full transparency with CFDs. We can talk about full transparency and one centralized place or more centralized places for stocks or futures. This is super regulated, super transparent environment where we have just very limited number of exchanges. These are all centralized. Everything goes through this central place, and there's very, very little space for manipulation. That's why we have access to stocks and futures from anywhere around the world, whereas to CFDs, they are completely prohibited and illegal in other countries. So I'm not saying you cannot make money on CFDs. I'm not saying you cannot really use this diversification and correlations. You can, and I don't want to be against all the CFDs brokers, because probably there are some honest as well. But again, for me, it is, I'm running a business here, so I need to mitigate all my risks, right? So why I would go with something more risky and less transparent when I can have an alternative which is fully transparent and fully regulated and fully centralized, and my risk in this area is so low that I don't even have a reason to look for an alternative.